أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. الله أكبر. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. Thank you very much, brother. Alhamdulillah, you have to take your best decision in your life. You have to learn more, to study more. You know, religion is not by following the family. If religion by following the family, the atheist who was born in an atheist family, he will say, I was born in an atheist family. The one who prays to the stone, he will say, I was born in a family who used to worship the stones. It's not to ask. God gave us brain to think, to use it, to ask, to wonder. No one can tell you don't ask. We have to ask. We have to think. We have to look at the sky, at the sun, at the moon. God sent us the Holy Quran. This is the Holy Quran. We have to read it. We have to know more about Allah. So inshallah you will learn how to pray, how to go to the mosque with the Muslims. You will be closer to your Creator. As I told you, no one between you and your Creator. Just worship Him directly. May Allah guide you and bless you and make us all, inshallah, will meet in paradise after that. Say Ameen. Ameen. Are you happy, inshallah? Happy? Yeah. Did anyone force you? You choose it? Alhamdulillah.